We just started a full bathroom renovation, and the first step we had to do was turn this closet from a disaster into something really beautiful. I wanted a open closet concept, so we took the door off and we made some really pretty shelves, added some baskets for storage that doesn't look terrible, and I'm going to show you how we did this. I also have my blog linked below that gives more detail on this project as well. So the first thing is to take out your old closet, shelving, whatever you might have, and then patch any holes that you have as well. How we build these is we build a frame. We built this out of 2x3s, and everything is screwed together and screwed into as many studs in your wall as you can. It's really important to get side wall studs as well as the back wall. And then we use 1/2 inch plywood for a top and 1/4 inch plywood to go underneath. Those are just brad nailed in, and then we put a primed 1x4 on the front, and this makes everything look like one solid piece of wood. Once everything is installed, you will go through and fill all the nails, sand, caulk after you prime. I did 2 coats of primer, and then I also did 2 coats of paint. I used a sprayer and the finish turned out great. Let me remind you what this closet looked like before. It was honestly just a black hole and a disaster, and now it is so pretty, and it is actually part of this room. My biggest thing was this is a powder room in our downstairs. It's the main one that everyone uses, and I know for a fact that anyone that comes in my house and uses our bathroom, they open that door and they look in this closet. So I figured, why not make it a beautiful piece of this room that I want you to look in. We also installed a beautiful new light. The last thing I have to do in this closet is I bought a hook system for like brooms and hanging things like that for cleaning. So I'm going to put that on the wall and you won't be able to see it. I hope that this video helped you figure out how to build floating shelves without any supports, and I hope you guys subscribe and see the rest of this bathroom come together.